In a coat this week. It's gonna be beautiful, won't it?
It's feeling like fall again. Finally, we saw ice and snow last week, if you can believe it. It was just a week ago. And then
how can we forget?
We're back in the 70s.
Those were like the longest 3 days ever.
I know.
Yeah.
It's crazy how quickly things can change here in Oklahoma.
Yeah, because then we will need a coat come next week. So
yes.
it just all comes together.
Exactly. Yeah, we just have to focus on this week because our weather is just fantastic. But it's not fantastic for some folks. So our active weather pattern for our hurricane season is continuing right now. So we have Hurricane Ada. Now this is the 28th named storm of the 2020 season. Now this ties the record set back in 2005 for the number of named storms in 1 year. So this is actually the first time the name Ada has ever been used before. So that is fascinating. Now it is a very strong Category 4 hurricane at this hour. So right now it is slow moving to the west southwest at 7 miles an hour. Sustained winds coming in at 150 miles an hour and wind gusts at 185 miles an hour, and it is continuing to intensify. So what's expected to happen is that it will make landfall early Tuesday morning as either a very strong Category 4 or a weak Category 5 hurricane along the Nicaragua coastline. And then it will bring flooding rains as well as damaging winds to Nicaragua and Honduras and other parts of Central America as we head into the middle and into the work week. And then it could also impact portions of Florida over the next several days. So we are still watching this because we still have a month left of hurricane season to go. So temperatures all across the U.S. Well, right now we're seeing temperatures in the 50s, and here in Tulsa, 51 in Kansas City, the 40s up in Nebraska, off to the west in California. Those folks are in the 60s, and then down in the southeast portion of the U.S. they are also a little bit cooler in the 40s this evening. But it's a quiet night out there. This is taking a live look out at the gathering place on our Osage Casino sky camera, where temperatures are currently coming in at 56 degrees. Winds are light out of the south around 11 miles an hour. Humidity coming in at 43% and dew point at 34. So all across green country, we are seeing similar temperatures. We're seeing some folks in the upper 40s, so 49 in Coffeyville, Kansas, 46 in Veneta, and we're looking at 48 in Pryor. Now check this out, 37 degrees currently is our cool spot in Tahlequah, so we are cooling off quickly as we get closer to the Arkansas state line, but off to the west we're a little bit warmer, so 56 here in the metro and 53 still in Stillwater. So as we head into the overnight hours, we are going to remain dry and it's going to be a quiet and calm evening, but it will be a little bit chilly by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s to low 40s, but we are going to see lots of sunshine for tomorrow as well. Not hardly any clouds in the sky are expected. Temperatures are going to top out in the mid to upper 70s, so just a fantastic Tuesday is on the way for us. And then we're going to keep this trend going as we head into the overnight hours Tuesday on into Wednesday. So by the time you wake up Wednesday morning, it will be a little bit warmer. Temperatures will be in the upper 40s to low to mid 50s in most locations. And then as we head into the afternoon on Wednesday, it's almost a carbon copy day. Temperatures will be back into the low to mid 70s once again. So we are just going to keep this warm and dry weather pattern going, and that's all thanks to that ridge of high pressure that's controlling our weather pattern. But watch what happens as we head into the end of the work week. A deep trough develops, and then it will try to slide closer into our area. This is going to bring us our next chance of precipitation early into next week. So right now we're just keeping this nice weather pattern going. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, it will be a little bit chilly. You'll definitely want to have a jacket on hand. Temperatures are in the low 40s. Then we'll warm up into the low 70s by lunchtime, topping out for a high in the mid to upper 70s by tomorrow afternoon. And as we extend our planner, watch this. We are stuck in the 70s, just fantastic weather, and on into the weekend as well. But then finally, we see our next storm system make its way into our region by the beginning of next work week, bringing us our next chance to see some precipitation.